Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting and challenging radical equation. It is x cube minus 10 cube equal to 400 times cube root of 25x plus 125, and we have to find out all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our equation as x cube minus 10 cube equal to 400 times cube root of. Can we write 25 as 125 over 5 times x plus 125? Now we can take 125 common from the numerator. So this will become 125 times x over 5 plus 1. In LHS we have x cube minus 10 cube. Now I will divide both sides by 10 cube divided by 10 cube. Now I can split our LHS, so I can write x cube over 10 cube minus 10 cube over 10 cube. This will be 1 equal to 400 over 10 cube, so 1000. And here I will split 125 with cube root times cube root x over 5 plus 1. Now cube root of 125 is 5. So I can write 400 times 5 over 1000 times cube root of x over 5 plus 1. And LHS we can write x over 10 whole cube minus 1. Now 400 times 5 is 2000. So we can cancel numerator denominator and it will be 2 in the numerator. So I can write x over 10 whole cube minus 1 equal to 2 times cube root of x over 5 plus 1. Or we can write our equation as x over 10 whole cube minus 1 equal to 2 times cube root of x over 5. We can write 2x over 10. Then we have plus 1. Now we will use substitution. Let us say x over 10 equal to u. So our equation will become u cube minus 1 equal to 2 times cube root of 2u plus 1. Now I can consider this radiant equal to v cube. So I can write our equation u cube minus 1 equal to 2 times cube root of v cube. So cube root and cube will be over. We will get our first equation u cube minus 1 equal to 2 times v. And second equation we will get from substitutions. So I can write from here v cube equal to 2u plus 1, or we can write v cube minus 1 equal to 2 times u. So let me write here v cube minus 1 equal to 2 times u. Let's write here u cube minus 1 equal to 2v and v cube minus 1 equal to 2 times u. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So plus and minus 1 will be over. We can write u cube minus v cube equal to 2 times v minus u, or we can write minus 2 times u minus v. Now I will take all the terms to LHS. U cube minus V cube plus 2 times U minus V equal to 0. Now we can apply A cube minus B cube formula here. So we can write U minus V times U square plus V square plus UV plus 2 times U minus V equal to 0. Now U minus V is common. So we will get U square plus V square plus UV plus 2 in the second bracket equal to 0. Or we can write either U minus V will be 0 or U square plus V square plus UV plus 2 equal to 0. So from first equation we will get U equal to V. Let's solve second equation. I will multiply this equation by 4 first. So 4U square plus 4V square plus 4UV plus 8 equal to 0. Or we can write 4U square plus, let's split 4V square as V square plus 3V square. Then we have 4UV. And I will take plus 8 to the RHS. It will become minus 8. Now from these three terms, if I will write all together, 4U square plus V square plus 4UV. Then we have 3V square and RHS is minus 8. So from these three terms, I can write 2U plus V whole square. Then we have plus 3V square and RHS is negative 8. Now sum of two squares. This will be always positive for real values, but our RHS is negative. So positive number cannot be equal to negative number. We can write, if we will solve, we will get complex solutions. So we will reject this equation for our real solutions. So accepted solution will be U equal to V. Now I will write our equation. U cube minus 1, this was equal to 2 times V. Now we will write V equal to U. So U cube minus 1 equal to 2 times U, or U cube minus 2U minus 1 equal to 0. If I will directly plug in U equal to minus 1, so this will give us minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, which will give RHS 0. So U equal to minus 1 is our base solution. Now I will use synthetic division method. So I need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. Coefficient of U cube is 1. Coefficient of U square term is not there, so coefficient will be 0. Coefficient of U negative 2, constant minus 1. Now leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution minus 1 with this number. So minus 1 times 1 minus 1. Addition will be negative 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. Addition will be minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 will be plus 1. Addition will be 0. So we have one quadratic equation, U square minus U minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write equation here, U square minus U minus 1 equal to 0 with our base solution U equal to minus 1. And remember, U was our substitution. X over 10 was U. Let's solve this quadratic equation first. So I can use quadratic formula minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus is square root of minus 1 is square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 minus 4ac over 2 times a. So 2 times 1, which will be equal to 1 plus minus is square root of 1 plus 4 over 2, or we can write 1 plus minus is square root 5 over 2. So we have three solutions. If I will write u equal to negative 1 and 1 plus minus is square root 5 over 2. Now u was our substitution x over 10. So I will write here x over 10 equal to minus 1, 1 plus minus is square root 5 over 2. So we'll multiply both sides by 10 to collect our final answer. We will write x equal to minus 10 and 5 times 1 plus minus is square root 5. Now I will check x equal to negative 10. So let me write here check x equal to negative 10. So I will write LHS first. LHS is x cube minus 10 cube. So this value will be equal to minus 10 whole cube minus 10 cube. So I can write minus 1000 minus 1000. So our LHS is minus 2000. Now the turn of RHS. RHS is 400 times. Let's write 400 times cube root of 25x plus 125. So I can write 400 times cube root of 25 times minus 10. So minus 250 plus 125. I will write 400 times cube root of minus 125. Then we can write 400 times cube root of minus 125 is minus 5 whole cube. Now cube root and cube will be over. We will write 400 times minus 5, which will give us minus 2000. So our solution x equal to minus 10 is true and verified solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.